the talk on the street, the first thing investors are watching right now is WTI crude oil, and the good news is that prices have slipped below $85 per barrel after Monday's spike to $120. Oil cooled after US President Donald Trump signaled the Iran war may be nearing its end, easing fears of supply disruptions. Trump also proposed waiving oil-related sanctions and deploying US Navy escorts for tankers through the Strait of Hormuz to stabilize shipments. Adding to the relief, G7 nations signaled readiness to release oil from strategic reserves if required, helping calm energy markets. Our call of the day: it's likely to be up again for benchmark Nifty. The only biggest headwind that could keep the upside capped remains the relentless selling by foreign institutional investors, FIIs, who offloaded equities worth a staggering 32,849 crore rupees in March. Bottom line, Nifty bullishness shall barely budge. The bullishness should remain intact as the benchmark looks set to join the conga line of rising global stock markets. Market trends. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade rebounding session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 4673 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 6333 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals indicate massive rebound play. FNO March month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 and 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has again cooled towards 18.90 levels. At last check, USD INR, March, is hovering near 91.99 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th March, is at 1.10 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th February, is at 0.81. Nifty outlook. Nifty bulls may look to bargain hunt after a sentiment boost from Donald Trump, who signaled that the conflict with Iran could end soon, lifting global risk appetite and easing crude oil prices. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 4262. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 24,100 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 24,857 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,200 and 24,500. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 78-06. Biggest support for Sensex is placed only at 77,750 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 80,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 77,900 to 79,500. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 56951. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 56,387 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 59,300 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 56,600 and 58,500. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. The good news. Bulls are likely to be everywhere at Dalal Street as sentiment improves. Global triggers. Investors await the US February CPI report on Wednesday and the US PCE price index on Friday for fresh clues on inflation trends. Domestic trigger. Back home, markets will track India's February inflation data due Thursday, after CPI came in at 2.75% in January, above expectations of 2.4%, raising questions about the future inflation trajectory. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Paras Defense, minus 2.14%, 703 rupees. Defense equipment maker Paras Defense and Space Technologies, on Monday, 9th March 2026, secured a nearly 80.28 crore rupees order from the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, to develop high-precision air defense optical systems, according to an exchange filing. 2. Fertilizer stocks rallied sharply after the center issued the Natural Gas Supply Regulation Order 2026 under the Essential Commodities Act to ensure uninterrupted gas supply amid disruptions in global LNG shipments due to the West Asia conflict. The move aims to prioritize natural gas allocation for critical sectors, including CNG, PNG, and fertilizer production, easing concerns over input supply. Following the announcement, fertilizer stocks surged, with fertilizers and chemicals Travancore jumping 20%, Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers rising 16.13%, and National Fertilizers gaining 13.20%. Other stocks such as Zuari Agrochemicals, Gujarat State Fertilizers and Chemicals, Shri Pushkar Chemicals, Deepak Fertilizers and Petrochemicals Corporation, and Chambal Fertilizers and Chemicals also posted strong gains. 3. Borosil, plus 12.37%, 253 rupees. Borosil shares surged after the company's board approved setting up a new manufacturing facility in Gujarat and expanding the production capacity of its borosilicate glass furnace in Rajasthan, signaling strong growth and capacity expansion plans. 4. Mahindra & Mahindra, plus 3.33%, 3,294 rupees. Mahindra & Mahindra shares rallied after the company reported a 13.13% rise in production to 94,550 units in February 2026, compared with 83,575 units in February 2025. 5. ABB India, plus 4.05%, 6,225 rupees. ABB India jumped after announcing plans to invest about $75 million in India to expand manufacturing and R&D for its electrification, motion and automation businesses, reinforcing its local-for-local strategy.